Hi guys, welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you kind of like a potato, like a hash almost, but not really. It's like a bake recipe. And I love this because I can prep a lot of the stuff the night before. So in the morning when I wake up, all I have to do is kind of pull it all together and bake it. So for me, that's like a bonus. It's really easy, it's delicious, and I cannot wait for you to try it. If you want to see how it comes together, just continue watching. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to preheat your oven to 425. You're also going to need either like a baking dish or something like this to kind of keep everything together. And the ingredients, really easy. Potatoes that I've just diced, kind of about yay big. You're going to need some red bell pepper and onions. You can use green, whatever you'd like. Some melted butter, salt, pepper, parsley, Italian seasoning, olive oil, and then some garlic. Alright, so to pull this together, it's really quite simple. To my potatoes, I'm going to add my onions and my bell pepper. I probably should have used the bigger bowl, but that's okay. And I use majority of my ingredient is the potato because that's what I like. But you can use whatever, you know, majority of what you like. I'm going to add in my garlic. Get that nice and in there. A little bit of olive oil. And then the rest I do butter because I like that buttery flavor that you get from like a hash. It's my favorite. You're going to need a generous pinching of salt because potatoes love salt. So, generous pinching of that. You need some black pepper, a little or as much as you want. It's good for me. You're going to need some fresh parsley. You can also top this with some, not fresh, you're going to need dried parsley, but you can top it with fresh parsley once it comes out of the oven. It's so good. And then finish it off with some Italian seasoning. The flavors together go really well. Not super complicated, but it works. You're going to mix this all up. Just do your best. Get everything nicely coated. Okay, everything is nicely mixed. I'm going to pour this mixture into my dish. And what I'm going to do, just kind of layer it off. Just like so. Now what you're going to want to do, let me get you up here. So what you're going to do is you're going to place this mixture into your preheated oven, which is preheated at 425 for about 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure you kind of give it a little zhuzh midway through just to kind of make sure everything's cooking evenly. After 25 or 30 minutes, you're going to raise the temperature to 450 and you're going to bake it for additional 10 to 15 minutes. And it's going to give you that beautiful golden brown top. So I'm going to put this in after 30 minutes. I'm going to raise the temperature and then all I'm going to do is enjoy. I hope you guys love this recipe as much as I do. It's delicious. It's easy. You saw it came together in no time. So I hope you guys give it a try and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.